The Adam Smith Awards Asia are recognised as the industry benchmark for best practice and innovation in corporate treasury. Throughout this dedicated series, we take a deep dive into each of the winning solutions of 2021, in conversation with the creators themselves.
Hello, I'm Meg Coates, Joint Publisher and Head of Operations at the Treasury Today Group. In this episode, we take a look at the overall and highly commended winner in our best working capital management solution. Efficient working capital is a key challenge for corporates of all shapes and sizes. This is all about improving key performance indicators of DPO, DSO, DIO, DWC, and the cash conversion cycle.
And our overall winner of the best working capital management solution is Tao Zheng, Deputy General Manager at SAIC International Finance. Congratulations.
Here to tell us more about SAIC Hong Kong International Finance's winning solution is their partner, Standard Chartered.
Hello, I'm Ricky Cora and I'm responsible for transaction banking in Asia Pacific, Africa and the Middle East for Standard Chartered Bank. We partnered with SAIC Hong Kong International Finance Ltd to set up a robust in-house bank structure with a codified framework to optimize liquidity via a central treasury center. SCB's comprehensive working capital solutions covered both cash and liquidity management, as well as trade financing needs. Cash management through the in-house bank setup enabled the treasury team to create new sub-accounts and perform a payment on behalf of POBO structure, as well as authorize collections on behalf of a ROBO in real time. Payments and collections are routed through our advanced ECAS product capabilities, which are enabled with a just-in-time sweeping structure between master and sub-accounts across multiple legal entities to manage real-time funding needs. Trade facilities offered to the in-house bank further improved treasury efficiency with significant impact across central credit, FX, and market risk management of the group entities. Through these solutions, our client developed a highly tax-efficient business model that not only aligns with the Hong Kong Monetary Authority's Corporate Treasury Center guidelines and the China Belt and Road Development Strategy. We were simply delighted to co-create with our client from the start of their journey, understanding their treasury functions needs before developing a very tailored solution for an optimal outcome. We are simply thrilled to see the efforts rewarded with this really very well-deserved recognition.
Next up, the highly commended award in this category.
And the highly commended winner in this category is Sugandha, Singhal, Global Treasury Head at SRF Limited.
Hello, my name is Sugandha Singhal. I am the Head Treasury at SRF Limited. Winning the Adam Smith Award was a great recognition, as these awards are the global benchmark for best practice and innovation in corporate treasury. This award will continue to motivate us to challenge the normal and think out of box. With continuous expenditure in CapEx over the past few years, SRF witnessed a growth in terms of size and geographical presence. This is where we felt the need to rethink, adapt, and design a new working capital financing solution that enables a sustainable business model. The Treasury team became the enabler across these projects. On one hand, the scale of the project was huge. On the other hand, we had diverse business segment. And when I say diverse, it's not just diverse industry. It's diverse in terms of the business practices, the taxation aspects, the payment terms, the hedging exposure, as well as supplier and customer profiles. Added to that, any solution across the value chain requires bilateral negotiations with customers and vendors. We embarked on the journey by doing a detailed mapping of the as-is process and profiling and shortlisting vendors and customers based on identified parameters. We then structured a customized solution for each segment of customer and vendor. Now, this customization which was done keeping in mind the local regulations, the accounting requirements, the data privacy rule, etc. And this, believe me, was a complex process. All the while, when we were making these changes and thinking about the solution, we kept in mind the basic fact that the technology that we are using has to be best in class and the solution should be such that they are able to meet the future requirement of the company. Also, any cross-border structured program impacts your forex exposure. So along with the proposed solution, the impact of foreign exposure was also studied and hedging strategies were also aligned. The main learning of the project is that the large-scale restructuring of your entire working capital processes and a change in the way of doing business is possible. You just need to step back and see the bigger picture before you plunge into and start doing or implementing a solution. These changes add significant value not only to the company but also to the customer and supplier. The program is an excellent example of a win-win solution that is scalable and efficient.
And now it's time for a word from their partner.
Hi, I'm Mohneet Gujral. I am a Senior Vice President TTS at Citi India. SRF team had a multifold objective of optimizing working capital across business units, increasing DPO, reducing DSO, and mitigating credit risk at the same time. At Citi, we believe in co-creating solutions with our client, and our journey to create a solution for SRF started with Citi undertaking a deep dive exercise, reviewing and analyzing the accounts payable and account receivables data of SRF across their 4 business units. The data-driven approach helped us, 1, identify and segment suppliers and customers that can be targeted, and 2, helped us structure specific solutions for these segments that we identified. The end result was a comprehensive ecosystem spanning gamut of solutions meeting SRF's objectives. The solution suite implemented for SRF is truly best in class. Innovation is demonstrated in each and every step, be it identifying opportunities via data, structuring the solution, or the digital delivery of the underlying solution. The diversity of the SRF ecosystem dictated that each segment be treated like a unique problem statement in itself. We implemented not just 1, but 5 different solutions touching multiple geographies and all business units to get SRF where it wanted to be. These solutions not only help SRF meet its objectives, but the digital attribute of these solutions also make them scalable and frictionless, thereby future-proofing SRF as it grows into a global conglomerate.
A huge congratulations to all our Adam Smith Awards Asia 2021 winners. Thank you for listening to this episode of our dedicated Adam Smith Awards Asia podcast series, brought to you by the Treasury Today Group. More episodes will be coming soon featuring other award-winning solutions. So please subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated wherever you get your podcasts from.